Even though mice are unhygienic to have in your home, unlike rats, they are not a threat to your overall health. They are known to bite electrical wires and make holes in bedding and clothes. Mice appears when there are food stalks laying open and food on the floor, for example, crumbs of bread, pieces of other food, etc. This being said, you need to keep your food protected and clean the floor on a regular basis to prevent rodents from entering your home and apartment. Summers are arriving and it is time that all the pets and rodents will try to find their cozy corners in your house and destroy the stuff you have carefully stored. But this season you can avoid them by using this simple home remedy. So without any further delay, let's start our video. But before watching the video, make sure you have subscribed this channel for more amazing content in the future. For this remedy you will need 1 medium-sized onion. Not just two, but have the rats heard the pungent smell of onion, but this hack is a little tricky since onion root quickly and can be